It's a 2016 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, automated parking sensors, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com adds, the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.